right, I'm tired of this weather. This has gotten out of hand. I can't do this anymore. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna get us something tomorrow. We're gonna change this whole deal. That'll work. Let's go.
See the new shop. As you can tell, we got stuff here and there's more stuff here. This is stuff. This is all stuff. And over here we got more stuff. Right here we got some more stuff. More stuff over there. So there's more stuff in there. Some stuff over there. A lot of stuff everywhere. Now this is stuff. Stuff over here, and then another stuff. It's finished. Thank you for coming to this.
I found my donut. Gotta have my snow shack, baby. I got 6 of them. I'm fat. There's some good stuff in there.
Yeah.
Can't remember what's in there, but it's good stuff. Oh, I'm terrible. I get online, I start ordering stuff. Oh, I can use that. Oh, that's pretty. She's alive. Look at that. I'm gonna throw that out there. They don't believe in instructions, so you need to learn me. He only reads them after he screws it up. It's all part of something. You know, some of the tools we have to put them together. Takes a minute or two to put them together and they last forever. Pick up all the stuff in here and throw it out. Engine mounts. We broke an engine mount, and what happens when you break an engine mount? Watch the motor. Watch what the motor does. See it? See it jump? what happens is this will hit here, and I've got a little dent from it. When I bought the car, it was that way. I didn't know it was that way. So that's it. They're not hard to fix. It's just getting in there and getting. It's only like 5 bolts. Got to take a bolt out here and 3 on the motor. How you doing? Good. Oh yeah. That's what we're changing right here. Take that bolt out. That bolt, that's another on the other side. We take this. So there's only 4 bolts in the motor mount.
Well, we're changing the right side motor mount, so the starter has to come out in order to get access to the bolt. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, what I'm going to show you now is the motor mount itself and what mounts it. If you look here, this bolt holds the mount to the frame. There's 3 bolts here that go to the cylinder block that holds the mount to the cylinder block. I've already got this 1 bolt out. Now I'm working on these 3. And it's a little tight. The clearance is a little tight to get these out, so it's going to be a little while.
I found these parts. I got that power steering. Huh?
Why do you have only 1 lens of your glasses?
I don't know, they itch sometimes. I don't know. I got a scratch them once in a while. No, I just had cataract done. I got this cataract done 2 weeks ago, and I'm getting the other one done Tuesday, and I'll be able to see. You won't be able to get by with anything now. I'll be able to see you. I'll catch you in the action. You're done for.
Okay, so right now what they're doing is they've got all the mounts unscrewed, so they're lifting up the engine so they can take the old mounts off and put the new ones in, and then lower the engine back down on it. And they're trying to put blocks of wood in between the jack and the engine so it doesn't hurt the engine.
This one's out. That's the half of it. I got half of it. I got half of it. That's the broken one. Let me show you a real one, one that's good. This is one that's together. You see the rubber in here? The rubber is the cushion between them. They're molded together and they stay like that. Now what causes this? Hot rodding. When you power brake. Ha! When you want to light up the tires. This is what happens. Sometimes. Now if you put good ones in, you don't do that. But I don't really do a lot of burnouts, so I'm not care about that. I'm not gonna go around beating my car up too much, so we'll just fix them. He's going for the fun stuff now. This is the 3 bolts that bolt to the motor. This motor was a brand new crate motor. Gary just went through it and checked it out. It's all, somebody put a new crate motor in this thing and it's got, there's no miles on it. The thing doesn't leak, it's got nothing wrong with it. We just found a good motor.
My head's getting heavy. I need a new neck. My head's getting heavy. Firing order of a small block Chevy, and I just told him, I said, you need to memorize that number. That's a very important number. That's firing order of these small block Chevys, and you need to know that. I learned that when I was your age, and I still remember it today. I've never forgotten that number. And you can ask any old hot rodder, we all know it. That's a number, it's etched into your brain.
184-36572.
There you go. Now we're making him a hot rodder. I got the mounts on the block mounted. I have to put the bolts in and starter in. We're good to go. All of this should make Dave happy. Dave will be a happy camper. Yeah, I'm gonna put the starter in now. Okay. Okay. Now, need somebody to get in there, make sure it's in park, and start it up. See if it starts. How do you feel after all that? Like a new man. Well, the starter has shims on it. I just want to make sure that they're not hitting the flywheel or anything when he starts it. Good. Success.
Let's smoke them tires!
Why is perfect? This. Oh yeah. Smart. That'll come in real handy.
Yes, very smart.
Today we did the motor mounts on a 65 El Camino. We had to jack the motor up, get the old ones out. We showed you where they were broken. We put the new ones in. Actually, the one that was on this side that wasn't broken was broken. Gary took it out. It had come apart and it was going to break probably within a day or two. But there are new ones in here now, and the motor's tight, sitting where it's supposed to. Thunder, did you learn anything?
Yes.
You could do this now, couldn't you? Okay, yeah, there's some tricks to it. I mean, like the bolts, we got to hammer them through. The bolt is made with a point on it, and it's made to be driven through. And that's what, we had a hard time getting to it. That's what we had to get something to get up in there. But we managed and we made it, so he learned something. I hope you learned something. we'll do it all again next week. Thanks to Gary, he's our ace. Gary has been in the automotive business, working on Mercedes for what, 40, 50 years?
I
at
started
least?
with Mercedes in 1974.
And he was there for a long time. So when you see him doing something here, it's because he's doing it right. Gary does nothing half-ass. Everything will be perfect. You're gonna see that.
Thank you, fellas.